As you probably have already seen on social media, Khloe Kardashian posted about her skin cancer scare and mentioned me as part of the team of doctors that took care of her. This all started with my friend Shar, who recommended me to Khloe to take a look at her skin.
Hi, my name is Shar and I'm a licensed esthetician and I'm the owner of Artisan of Skin on Rodeo Drive in Beverly Hills. Me and Tess got connected because we share the same office. Khloe is my client and I do house calls for her, and I had come to her a few times and noticed that she had this bump, and I mentioned that, you know, I should bring a doctor to take a look at it, and she's like, okay, yeah, we should. You know, it was kind of like, you know, she didn't take it serious at first, and then after the third visit, when it was still there, I was like, okay, I need to bring the doctor in. We need to take a look at this because it's growing. And that's when I had Dr. Tess come, and, you know, she did the biopsy, and it, you know, it came back and it actually was cancerous. So that's why it's important that as an esthetician to work with a good doctor that, you know, is board certified and can check these things that are out of our expertise.
It's amazing how many followers I gained from a series of posts from Khloe. Hopefully those followers will continue to learn from my profile and my posts about the importance of skin cancer awareness and really taking care of their skin and consulting a board certified dermatologist when something is new, changing, or not healing.
So Courtney, who's Khloe's sister, is also a client of mine, and I've been helping her with her acne, and she has acne and melasma, so we've been treating her acne, and she's seeing amazing improvement in that and in the pigment. I actually want Dr. Tess to come in with me to help her a little bit because she has some stubborn melasma still, but, you know, her acne's completely cleared up, and, you know, she's very grateful, and they all, you know, trust me and my recommendations very well now, and Dr. Tess has been so helpful in being my doctor on call.
So thank you, Shar, for the recommendation.
So everybody knows what Coachella is, and I'm so excited as it's coming up. We're going to be doing some facials out there for some of our celebrity clients, including the Kardashians and Jenner family, and yeah, it should be really exciting. We're going to be doing some fun treatments, maybe some IV to help people, you know, it's Coachella, partying, staying up all night, you know, IVs and facials are just the best combination. Me and Tess are actually going to be doing the vitamin C and glutathione antioxidant IV today to help prep me for Coachella as well, because I'll be treating people but having a little fun as well. So I want to be prepared and be glowing from the inside out.
We're giving Shar IV glutathione and vitamin C because she's traveling and having fun at Coachella.
All right.
How was it?
Easy peasy. It was nothing. And it was quick. It was like quicker than an IV actually.
Most people think glutathione is just for whitening, but glutathione is actually the body's master antioxidant, so without it, you'd be in trouble.
100%. That's why we do it this way.
Yeah, you guys should show that too, because some people may think, like, God, I'm going to do a whole IV right now. Like, that would be so easy.
No, it's the same thing. Our patient earlier, she's like, when we talked to her about the IV therapy, she's like, I don't have time. I don't want to sit through like a whole IV. I'm like, no, this is an IV push.
Yeah.
Because unless you're dehydrated or you've been drinking a lot, then you need the extra fluid. But on a regular day-to-day, you don't. And so, but you do just need the antioxidants.
So this is just what you need.
Quick, yeah.
I love that.
Just what you need, and you know, we need time.
Yeah.
You know?
I'll definitely come in more for this than like a full-on IV. So that's good to know.
So that's probably why you don't do it. Like I don't have to like sit there and then take an hour and a half of your time.
Yes. So it's not always that professional. You know, some people are like fiddling and then like, oh.
Yes.
Yeah.
So
like,
it can be traumatizing if somebody who's getting your IV is not good. Yeah, no, that's true. But like I said, you got an anesthesiologist. He does mine.
Yeah.
Because I'm normally a hard stick to, but he knows where to go. And if not, we have the AccuVein. Too. So.
Yeah, because I'm like, it's gonna be hard, and he's like, what? What are you talking about?
See, there you go.
Thank you guys.
Hi, I'm Dr. Tess Mauricio. I'd like to show you why one of our preferred products to treat frown lines is Jeuveau.
I'm pretty excited. I am getting Jeuveau today.
My patients and I love Jeuveau because it really delivers on its promise.
I seriously couldn't be happier. Thanks, Javo.
We'd like to invite you to come in and try a quick in-office procedure like Javo. Be you at your best with Dr. Tess. Please contact us today.
Jeuveau is FDA approved to temporarily improve the look of frown lines between the eyebrows. Effects of Jeuveau may spread hours to weeks after injection, causing serious symptoms. Alert your doctor right away, as difficulty swallowing, speaking, breathing, eye problems, or muscle weakness can be signs of life-threatening conditions. Don't receive Jeuveau if you're allergic to botulinum toxin products or have a skin infection. Other serious side effects may include allergic reactions, heart or eye problems. Tell your doctor about your medical history, muscle or nerve conditions, and all medicines, including botulinum toxins, as these may increase the risk of serious side effects. Ask your doctor about Jeuveau today.
Spend your weekend with the family every Saturday only on GMA Pinoy TV.
Wanted to try something more natural.
My husband was complimenting me and saying how young I looked, and it's nice because he's 4 years younger than I am.
The wrinkles, my skin has improved, it's tighter, it's amazing. The youthful look that I have, the freshness.
You just can't describe how it makes you feel inside. I feel good, I feel like I look good, I feel young.
The years have come off. It's a fabulous experience.
So today, Char's mom from Norway is coming in to do some treatment. She looks so good. People mistake Char and her mom Natalie as sisters.
I'm here with my mom today. My mom is almost 50. She had me very young and she looks amazing for her age, but she's been a smoker her whole life and doesn't do anything to her skin. And so I brought her to see Dr. Tess to see what she can do, and I'm really excited because she's going to see amazing results, and I'm so excited.
We're going to proceed to treat Char's mom with our full signature time machine procedure. The tube that Natalie is inhaling is nitrous gas anesthesia. You know it as laughing gas. You did great, Natalie. You're gonna look 10 years younger.
You did fantastic.
You did great.
This.
Just sit around with the chair. There you go.
This is the results of like 30, maybe 50 treatments.
Exactly.
Like a skin, like a whole booth camp.
It is. It
for the
is.
skin.
It really is.
In one section.
And you're really building collagen. You're really resetting the aging of the skins. It's not temporary. The change is a permanent reset. So
Now people can keep thinking we're sisters.
Yeah.
More so.
Or
People are always like, I always say mom, mom, and people are like, mom? She's your mom? And I'm like, yeah. And I'm like, wait now. That's what I'm doing much. So
yeah, that's like Lisa and her daughter.
yeah.
Lisa had her daughter of what age?
28 and 28.
She's 20. 19. Or 19 when she had me.
So yeah.
Uh-huh.
Same.
Yep.
Oh, okay.
Same. So that's why they're like that. They're like sisters
Yep.
too.
Exactly.
It's very, very special. I had my daughter at 28, a little older, but we're still really,
Yeah, that's still.
full. And then you do treatments, and it's still, even if it's a big gap, it can still look like sisters.
Exactly.
Okay, so we'll finish everything, and then any questions, just let me know. And I love your daughter. Thanks for having her.
Thank you so
Right?
much.
Okay, all right, amazing. You're at your best at M Beauty by Dr. Tess. That's been our slogan.
I only want the best. America's favorite dermatologist, Dr. Tess.
And we're not going to change it. At M Beauty, you can get the celebrity treatment too.
I trust Dr. Tess.
I see beauty in everyone I meet.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Thank you so much, Dr. Tess.
You're welcome. Call now for your free consultation.
You're at your best at M Beauty by Dr. Tess. All in the family with Dr. Tess.
Today we have Julian Lennon. Julian's really an amazing guy. He is so talented. He is a singer-songwriter, producer, documentary filmmaker, fine art photographer, a New York Times best-selling author, and of course a philanthropist. I am just so honored and thrilled to be his friend and his dermatologist.
Crazy Californians in the rain.
Well, you know, they don't need the rain.
We do need the rain.
Well,
He's been coming to see me for years. Julian and I have been friends for many years. We met at the studio for NBC's California Live when we were both guests. We just hit it off, and from that point on, he started coming to see me every time he's in town in LA. A few years ago, in one of Julian's visits to the clinic, he wanted me to take a look at a birthmark on his scalp. I looked at it and there was something suspicious about it, so I urged him to allow me to do a biopsy. Luckily we did, and it turned out to be a skin cancer. So I performed an excision to remove the skin cancer. This made news all over the world and created a lot of awareness about skin cancer.
Hi everyone, Julian Lennon here. Just wanted to fill you in on Dr. Tess. I had the pleasure of meeting her a few years ago and thought it would be a wise idea to go and see her to get checked up. And I have a birthmark on the top of my head that has a couple of moles, and one was appeared to be or felt a little different than normal. So Dr. Tess had a look at my scalp, noticed that the mole seemed quite irregular, and suggested that we send, some of it off for a biopsy to the pathologist. A few days later, we got the results, and it was a rare form of skin cancer. She suggested that I get it removed straight away, and of course I did that because I absolutely trusted her, and the results came back with clear margins. So I'm very, very thankful, and we see each other several times a year so that we make sure that I stay alive and kicking, and I check myself regularly now, and see her often. So I would recommend this to anybody. And as far as prevention from then until now and moving onwards, I think you need to keep checking yourself. If there's a concern, please go and see, a board certified dermatologist, and just be very careful. Stay out of the midday sun, and wear some protection that'll help you stay alive and kicking. So thank you, Dr. Tess, as always, and I'll see you soon, no doubt. Thank you very much, everyone. Bye.
I'm just so grateful to Julian for trusting me to remove the skin cancer and also sharing his story, which really created a lot of awareness and urged people to see a board-certified dermatologist whenever there's anything new or changing on their skin. It's an honor that he comes to see me because I know he has a busy schedule. We're doing a lot for Julian today because I'm getting him ready for his big milestone 60th birthday. And because of his tight schedule while he's in LA, today is the only day he can come in for his treatments. One of my favorite songs from Julian Lennon is Too Late for Goodbyes. You probably have heard it. And it's much too late for goodbyes. I I love that song.
Did you know that Hey Jude, one of the Beatles' most popular songs, was written by Paul McCartney for Julian? And Julian's most recent album is titled Jude.
You're ageless. You're timeless.
He is. Your skin looks great.
Yeah, I'm okay.
Yeah, looking good. Okay. Gotta get you. So 1 o'clock is our goal.
Is our goal, yes.
Okay. Julian is such a down-to-earth, just, I don't want to say everyday guy, but just naturally warm and pleasant to meet because, again, meeting someone of his caliber, he really was just down to earth in his interactions and trust.
I'm so excited to see Julian's art exhibit titled Atmospheria at the William Turner Gallery in Santa Monica. James took photos of me outside the gallery and, of course, inside with Julian's artwork.
So,
What are you doing end of the day?
it's a whole thing tied in with kids. It's a charity for kids who are young and can't afford to be heard musically.
It is so heartwarming to know that Julian gives back, especially to charity.
My White Feather Foundation are tied in with my classics, if you can say that, Saltwater, for charity.
Music is really his passion.
Julian being friends with Harry Styles, they're both from England. He got us tickets to Harry Styles' concert in LA. Jaina and I had a blast. Well, thank you again for our Harry Styles tickets. We had a blast.
Yeah, he's a talented kid, that one.
He really is.
Yeah.
I was very busy at the Grammys.
Oh yeah, and the Brits too.
And did I tell you my daughter and I ended up in the Jumbotron? You did. That's like one of my daughter's most happy moments
ever.
Exactly.
My first guest is America's favorite dermatologist, Dr. Tess Mauricio.
Dr. Tess Mauricio is here with more on how to recover the younger you.
17 million people in the U.S. suffer from acne of all ages, and I've had acne my whole life.
Not only are you beautiful inside, you're beautiful outside.
When Khloe Kardashian opened up about having a rare tumor removed from her face. Joining us now, Dr. Tess Mauricio. So this is a very scary situation. I did look at it.
America's favorite dermatologist, Tess Mauricio.
Favorite dermatologist, Dr. Tess Mauricio, here with her very happy patient.
America's favorite dermatologist, Tess Mauricio, is
here to help us get that beautiful, healthy-looking glow is dermatologist Dr. Tess Mauricio. Welcome.
Spend your weekend with the family every Saturday, only on GMA Pinoy TV.
Who do I trust with all of my skincare needs? I trust Dr. Tess. I only want the best. America's favorite dermatologist, Dr. Tess. Absolutely no regrets. Be your best at M Beauty by Dr. Tess.
At your best at M Beauty by Dr. Tess.
Watch my favorite dermatologist, Dr. Tess Mauricio, on her TV show. Now on its 5th season, All in the Family with Dr. Tess on GMA Pinoy TV.
All in the family with Dr. Tess.
Only on GMA Pinoy TV.
All in the family with Dr. Tess.
We're still here at our Beverly Hills clinic with Julian Lennon. After we applied the numbing cream on Julian, we are using the carboxytherapy gel CO2 lift mask to lock in the numbing cream and then also prepare the skin for his treatment. You want your phone? Okay, just relax. You okay here? Okay, just relax. After 40 minutes, we remove the CO2 lift mask and now getting ready for the next step. Soft Wave is a treatment that uses proprietary ultrasound so that we can create new collagen and elastin, and it gives a non-surgical lifting effect. Julian is so brave, he's not even using Pronox. After the Soft Wave, to treat his sunspots, I use an intense pulse light treatment. It uses intense pulse light to target the pigmentation and blood vessels underneath the skin. Don't get up too fast. Recover. Take a look at yourself in the mirror. See?
Dropping off. Little later.
Come on!
Who is that guy?
Who is that? I asked Julian if he wanted to try Upneek. Have you tried Upneek? Have I tried this? So they're eye drops that open your eyes.
I think, yeah. I think you gave
Did you try it? Did you like it?
I can't remember.
These are special eye drops that open your eyes within 15 minutes and lasts about 8 hours. It's very cool.
Tears of joy when you... Oh, hello. Tears of joy when you visit Dr.
That's right. Julian is so funny. You know it. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna do it before. Just look straight and straight. And here, you can wipe your eye.
Thank you.
I just that way we have an actual photo. But we still have a few more treatments to do, but we're watching the time because he has another appointment. Now it's time for the Rockstar treatment. I love using the Rockstar on patients like Julian who cannot have any downtime, but we want some form of resurfacing so that it will improve their skin texture, their wrinkles, the pores, and they can go directly to their next appointment. And he is a rock star.
I must say I've had a few comments from people I know and people I don't saying, what the hell's happening to you? You're aging backwards. I'm going,
yay!
I said it's all in the mind.
It's all in the mind.
Yeah.
Julian is so brave. We didn't even have time to numb the seborrheic keratosis benign skin growths.
Nothing like a good burn.
That's how you deal with it. Yeah,
Wow.
there you go. But you see how fast I did it though? That was fast. And now we are done. Now we're checking his eyes for the results after Upneek. It really is making a difference. Right?
Yeah, I almost look awake.
Upneek is really perfect for those who want some natural lifting of their upper eyelids.
Just want to say thanks to Dr. Tess, who every time I'm in LA makes me look beautiful. Thank you.
I love you. You're welcome, Julian, and thank you for your trust and friendship. Wow, we did a whole lot of treatment in the fastest time. Happy birthday, Julian. Wish we can celebrate together. Thank you so much for your trust and friendship through the years. Love you, and I'll see you in LA.